Today we will be seeing how to make a keychain with alphabets engraved in it. You can see the final product here. Now we'll start the video. First we will take a piece of wood, few thick, you can see, but just thick, and around a finger's length. Okay, so now we'll choose a side. This side looks better, like this. So we'll just mark off some distance from all the sides, around few mm's. So you can see I've left off some space on all the side. On this side I've left extra space to make a circle for the ring hole. Now this is the space for our writing. Okay, so now what you are going to do is draw the whatever you want to do in this area, and it should not touch any of these lines over here. Any of these 4 lines you should draw inside this. Okay, now I'm going to do what I'm going to do. So you can see I have drawn out the alphabets. Each line of the alphabet should be around 2 to 3 thick minimum, because if you make a thinner alphabet like that, like 2-3 or less thinner than that, it will be very difficult to carve the wood. So you should start out at 4 to 5 then slowly work your way down to 2 or 3 like I am doing. So you can see I have already made out the A. It is not looking good now. I will just after it is all done, all the letters, then I will polish it. So now I'm going to do the step. First, draw the whatever shape you want to do. Second, score an outline like this. Go all around the shape. I've already done first draw, then made outline. The outline should be like this, straight, and when you are cutting it out, you should go like this at an angle. You can see at an angle like this, at a 45-degree angle. At a 45-degree angle you should cut, and when scoring you should do a 90-degree. You score right this, and then you twist knife, and then you do this. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video. So as you can see, I have completed most of the keychain. I have polished the back side with some Fevikwik or any other CA glue. I have rounded off all the 4 corners over here and all the sides as well. So now I have also carved out all the letters and put some black ink on that. Now after that, what I'm going to do is use a 100 grit sandpaper, or you can even use a 240 grit to just do this motion. It will just smooth out your edges and make a curve and smooth flow all the way around like this, you can see. Okay, so you're just going to follow this motion all the way around. So you can see it is completed. Fevikwik on. You can see there's a little spot here, and the rest is complete. So this is the final product. Hope you'll enjoyed the video. Bye.